Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I am Mohammad Hassan and today I have a little bit of surprise video because I got a gift hamper from Afnan Perfumes. So you can see this. This is a gift. So I am going to show you actually this is the ribbon. Here you can open it and inside it I have two perfumes. So first I'm going to review Supremacy in Oud. Thank you Afnan Perfumes for sending me this as a gift, and I never thought that they are going to be that good. So you can find out how good it is in this video review. Watch it till the end. I'm going to describe the notes. This is the box. I really loved and enjoyed the box. Very lovely shiny golden brown, and just to show the oud and the gold, because it is called liquid gold. So this is what I can get from inside, and once you remove this and you are going to get the bottle like this. Okay, so this is the bottle. So let's get out the bottle and spray it. Why I am making another review for this one, because I recorded last night, but what happened is it's stuck in the bottle. Bottle was stuck inside it anyhow. So why I am making another one, because when I sprayed it on my skin, the story was totally different. Its performance is great, its longevity is great. It is going to last 8 to 10 hours minimum, and it is very similar to one of the perfumes, one of the very famous perfumes, that is Oud for Greatness. So if you are looking for an alternative which is very close to Oud for Greatness and which is cheap and not very costly, then this is the answer. I didn't get any chemical vibes or chemical kind of notes from it. So I'm going to spray it on my skin now. Fresh citrus, leather, amber in the start. Yes, this is amber note. Fresh, ambery, spicy, light spicy in the start. Very lovely blend. I was really amazed from the quality from Afnan Perfumes, that this is really well blended and very close to Oud for Greatness. Okay, so the start is actually fresh, ambery, light leathery, and once it started drying down after in the mid notes and the dry down, it is going to get a bit of mellow kind of light, sexy, oudi, rounded, sweet kind of notes that are that are not actually oud notes, but in Western world they are called oud notes. So it is very similar to Oud for Greatness. Yes, and I also get a little bit of burned bahoor or oud kind of scent that is coming from far beyond. So what I really enjoyed in this perfume is this light burned agarwood burnt smell. So this is really lovely. Yes, it is a little bit closer to white oud, this scent, but it is not that. Okay, so if you are thinking that it is close to interlude or something like that, it is not that. It is very close to Oud for Greatness, but it has some components of interlude or something like that. Very well blended. This, I think this is going to be one of my favorite perfumes, or one of my favorite alternatives for costly perfumes. So thanks a lot Afnan Perfumes for sending me this gift. I think I'm going to cherish it. I'm going to use it a lot. Yesterday my wife used it. I sprayed it on myself, and I think today I'm going to wear it again. So you can guess the quality and how this perfume has been made. Very lovely perfume. If you like oud, mellow, sweet kind of notes, little bit of sexy kind of oud and fresh ambery, light leathery kind of perfumes, do check this out. It is not going to be, you know, very heavy on your pockets, but it is a very, very good alternative for oud for greatness. Now, from scent profile, I'm going to rate it 8 out of 10 because they have blended it really, really well. And performance, I'm going to again give it 8 or 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10 because it really performs really, really well. I sprayed it yesterday noon, I think 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock, and still it is like 9:49 in the morning, so I can still sniff it on my skin. So you can see it is like, I think more than 12 hours. So it is going to stay easily on your skin 8 to 10 hours easily. Not even on your skin, it is going to be like 1 feet, going to have you know, cloud around you because I just sprayed twice. So if you spray like 4 sprays, it is going to stay very well around you and on your skin. So this is my review about Supremacy in oud. After a long time, some you know, not very popular or very high and niche brands actually amazed me with their blending, because most of the time when I use these kind of cheap perfumes from Swiss Arabian or other companies, I mostly get chemicals even from Rasasi, but this one was really well blended. So this is going to be in my you know, daily usage kind of perfumes. I'm going to use it regularly. This is my review about Afnan Supremacy in oud. Don't think that I was paid for reviewing this. They just sent me a gift because they thought that I have never you know, reviewed Afnan perfumes. They sent me 2 perfumes. This is the one I loved. The other one is not very you know, not in my, you know, favorite list, or I didn't like it much. Okay, so I hope to see you guys in another video if you have used this one or Afnan Supremacy, the other one which was the competitor of Aventus. I thought they are going to send me that, but I think they know that my channel has a lot of oud videos and I really love oud, so they sent me this one. So that is all. I hope you are going to enjoy this review and see me happy wearing this perfume. See you soon in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.